those are the most common use, the condenser and dynamic microphone. So here, let's configure this microphone and see if we can use it in our DAW. Connect it using an XLR microphone cable. Insert. So when it's connected to the microphone, the other end of the XLR cable is supposed to be connected to an audio interface, which will connect. It's connected. And what you do next is, since we're using a condenser microphone and it's pretty sensitive, you turn on the phantom power button by pressing the 48V here. So I've pressed it. Then you go to your DAW, and if you're using Reaper, just double click and enable it. But before you enable it here, what you do, you go to options and preference and make sure your sound card is connected. Then the final step, all you do is just enable the mic. And by turning the gain knob, you may see the signal move when I tap the mic. I tap the mic and you can see the signal. You can actually hear my vocal as I speak if I had headphones on. But you can turn your speakers on. Make sure your speakers are connected to the audio interface. And when I speak in the microphone, you can actually hear my vocals through the speakers. Just turn the volume up a bit, and then you can actually hear my vocals through the speakers. 1, 2, testing, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, microphone test. And that's how you configure the microphone in your DAW. And like this, you can actually record what you need to record.